5 little colorful ducks went out to play, waddling and splashing in the pond all day. Mama duck called, "Come back, don't roam." One little duck came waddling home. "Quack, quack, quack," the ducks will say. Happy in the water, they love to play. Quack, 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 soft and true. Mama duck is watching you. 5 little ducks were yellow and bright, swimming in the sunshine, oh what a sight. They splashed in water so clean and blue, having fun like kids always do. Quack, 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 the ducks will say. Happy in the water, they love to play. Quack, 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 soft and true. Mama duck is watching you. 4 little ducks in colors so new, red and orange and green and blue. They chased each other near the reef, eating tiny pond-side seeds. Quack, 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 the ducks will say. Happy in the water, they love to play. Quack, 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 soft and true. Mama duck is watching you. 2 little ducks met under a tree, happy and dancing so wild and free. Wind was blowing soft and slow, ruffling feathers in a glowing glow. One little duck alone did stay, looking for friends who swam away. Mama duck called from far and near, "Come back home, I'm right here." 5 little ducks all came back home. No more wandering, no more roam. Mama duck hugged them one by one. Their happy day was full of fun. Colorful ducks in morning light, yellow, red, green, shining bright, waddling gently side by side, with happy hearts and joyful pride. Splashing water, ripples wide, little ducks swim side by side. Clouds above drift soft and slow, gentle winds begin to blow. Dragonflies fly overhead, ducks rest near a grassy bed. Nature sings